Hello everyone, and welcome to Code with Zuckerberg. In this tutorial, we will download and install Anaconda. For this, open up your browser, in search bar, type Anaconda. Click on the first link. Click on Get Started. Click on Download Anaconda Installer. Get started. Now, depending upon your operating system, whether Windows, Mac, or Linux, download either 64-bit or a 32-bit installer. I will download a 64-bit installer for Windows. Now, wait for the download to complete. Open up the Anaconda installer. Click on Next. I agree. Next. Next. Do not select Add Anaconda 3 to my path, as it will result in conflict with the Python that we have installed earlier on our machine. Click on Install. Next. Next. Finish. In search bar, type Anaconda and open Anaconda Navigator. Here in Anaconda Navigator, we have JupyterLab, PyCharm, and we can launch it from here by pressing the Launch button. We also have Spyder. It is an IDE similar to PyCharm. Here is our Jupyter Notebook. Click on Launch button to run it. Here you can see that Jupyter Notebook runs in localhost. These are our local directories. Click on Desktop. You can see that there is no notebook in our desktop. In order to create new notebook, click on New and select Python 3. We have successfully created our first notebook. To give a name to your notebook, click here. I will use the name, My First Notebook. Click on Rename. Now go to your desktop. Here you can check that extension of our file is .ipynb, which means Python Notebook. Open up your Jupyter Notebook. Here you can type any Python program. Let's write world-famous Hello World program. In order to run this, click on Run button. You can also run the cell by pressing Shift and Enter. For example, type 2 plus 3. After that, press Shift and Enter. You can see the result, 5. Other than code, in Jupyter Notebook, you also have the option of Markdown. Now, type anything, press Shift and Enter. You can see that this line is now a Markdown. You also have headings in Jupyter Notebook. Click on OK. Here you can type your heading, then press Shift and Enter. The best thing about Jupyter is the autosave feature. If you close and reopen the notebook, you can see that it was saved automatically. It's all that you should know about Jupyter Notebook to get started. In order to close Jupyter Notebook, close all tabs of Jupyter Notebook. Close Anaconda Navigator. Select the notebook and click on Quit button. Yes,